Hey, fellow travelers! Lost your passport abroad? Don't panic. Here's what you need to do right away. First, report the loss or theft. Head to the nearest police station and file a report. You'll need a copy of that report as proof. Then contact your embassy or consulate. They're your lifeline in this situation. Next, apply for an emergency or replacement passport. You'll need a few things: the police report, proof of citizenship like a photocopy of your lost passport or a driver's license, passport photos, your travel itinerary, and, of course, the application fee. Some embassies might issue an emergency travel document if you need to get home ASAP. If you've got upcoming flights, alert your airline right away. They'll guide you on what to do if you can't fly with your lost passport. And if you had a visa in that lost passport, contact the issuing authority to sort out the reissuance process. Protect yourself from identity theft. Keep an eye out for any suspicious activity linked to your lost passport. You might also want to alert banks or other agencies about potential fraud risks. To prevent future losses, keep both digital and physical copies of your passport. Use hotel safes or secure travel pouches for important documents. And consider getting travel insurance that covers lost passports. For country-specific details, keep watching this channel. Safe travels, everyone.